it's because your ads suck. I'm sorry, somebody has to tell you. Check out the commercials that I did for my students that are now getting leads from Facebook ads. Check them out.
Dirty house, no time. Pro Ashburn's got your back. 180, 180, get your weekends back. Bathrooms clean, floor so bright. Book today and sleep tonight. 180, 180, don't delay.
Pro Ashburn Cleaning.
Book today.
Trash still there, dust everywhere. Bathrooms looking kinda scary. Don't stress, don't scream. Call Stereotech Cleaning Team. We actually show up, we actually clean. We actually show up, we actually clean. Stereotech Clean.
Are you tired of walking into your building and seeing what your last cleaning crew missed? Dust on the vents, streaks on the glass, trash bins still half full, and floors that never seem to shine no matter how much you pay? At Regal Shine Cleaning Service, we understand the frustration. You shouldn't have to chase your cleaning company to do what they promise. Our team specializes in delivering consistent, detailed, and reliable commercial cleaning. The kind of clean your staff and clients can feel the moment they walk through the door. No more missed corners. No more excuses. No more showing up Monday morning to fingerprints on the glass in bathrooms that don't smell fresh. Regal Shine brings structure, accountability, and professionalism to every property we service. We tailor every cleaning plan to your business needs, from offices and medical facilities to schools, dealerships, and new construction sites. Because when your space shines, your brand shines too. Regal Shine Cleaning Service, where excellence meets consistency. Call today or visit us online to schedule your walkthrough. Regal Shine Cleaning Service, Atlanta's premier choice for commercial cleaning done right.
Let me say something most cleaning businesses won't. If someone is charging you hundreds of dollars and they're rushing through your house like they're competing for the Olympics and they're finishing an hour, that's not detailed cleaning. That's surface level maintenance. Anybody can wipe down things. Anybody can make a house look okay for the moment. But real cleaning, that takes time. That takes intention. That takes standards. At Pro Ashburn Cleaning, we don't overlook our schedule just to squeeze in more houses. No, our team focuses on quality over chaos because we believe that your home deserves more than just a rushed wipe down and a vacuum line. We pay attention to details most cleaning businesses skip. Doors and door frames, interior window detailed, microwave cleaned thoroughly, wood furnished, polished, and refreshed, high-touch areas disinfected with care, a true reset feeling you walk through the door. And here's something important. Most of our clients already had a cleaning company before they found us. They didn't hire us because they couldn't find any cleaners. No, they hired us because they were tired of paying for fast food cleaning. And they wanted a company that actually cared about the results. We serve busy families and professionals throughout Ashburn and surrounding areas who want consistency, professionalism, communication, and a home that genuinely feels clean. So no, we are not the cheapest option. And honestly, we're probably not the right fit for you if you are shopping for the lowest price. But if you want a trusted team that respects your home, values quality, and delivers a luxury level clean at every single visit, that is exactly what Pro Ashburn Cleaning was built for. Call or text 503-512-0147 or visit our website www.proashburncleaning.com. Now, every time we run ads for our students, baby, they got leads coming in every day off of the commercials that we create. Okay? So you need to stop playing and let us create commercials for you. All right? DM me, click the link down below, come inside the community. We're not hard to find. www.tenacityacademy.com. Y'all already know where to find me at, okay? Or comment down below or something so we can get you straight with some commercials today, okay? Quit playing. Going back and do what you was doing now.